Hey, what's up YouTube fam? For this episode, we shall be doing an unboxing and a diorama build. The figure we are going to unbox is the Test Type 05 Carbine. Carbine is an art toy creation of Filipino artist CHK DSK. His works have been gaining popularity towards Asia, and this figure was released during the recently concluded ToyCon 2021 online event. Looking at the protective box, we can see several markings of Carbine and its Mecha Will Rise slogan, including the Bullet Punk Universe logo, the artist's logo, and the Rlux Customs logo. As we open the magnetized lock, there is a protective foam sheet, and inside is the resin figure. The resin figure is separated into two parts, the head and the rest of the body. Several markings can be seen. The Rlux Customs logo and the Carbine logo appears on the jacket, while the TBC or To Be Continued logo is on the shirt. At the back of the jacket shows the CHK DSK logo and the Mecha Will Rise slogan. The helmet is inspired by your Japanese anime robots or mecha, with the glowing eyes, the faceplate, and the vents on the sides. While the streetwear ensemble of having a shirt, a track jacket, pants, and sneakers complete the look. As good as the figure is in being a conversational piece, I feel it would be better if we can improve on it by doing a diorama display. Since the figure is inspired by a combination of urban streetwear and Japanese mecha, a modern Japan setting would be proper. So let's start the build. We'll start off by building the gashapon machine. And then building the main frame or pillar of the diorama. We will glue, putty, and then cover the sides. Next, we'll build the ticket machine using pieces of wood. After completing the main structure, we'll putty and sand the entire thing. Then we'll start by painting the primer. We'll then add details using styrene and plastic strips. Then we'll paint the secondary colors. Do some masking in preparation of painting the other colors. Masking and painting again the black and silver parts. Removing the masking tape to show the final painted look. Painting minor details such as buttons using a small hand brush. And then sticking the printed decals all throughout the diorama. We will then fill up the refrigerator with miniature bottles. Last but not the least, we shall create the signage on the center of the diorama. After everything has been finished, we shall do the final assembly and stick it to the base. So there we go, a diorama for Carbine finally completed. I hope you enjoyed the build. We'll leave you with additional pictures and clips of the diorama. So long, till next time.